Hey everyone, it's Maghaz here. Have you ever clicked on your power button and noticed that the sleep, hibernate, or lock options are missing? Don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to fix this problem for you. So, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the solution. First, press the Windows plus R keys together to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type Control and hit Enter to open the control panel. Now, click on Power Options. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option called Choose what closing the lid does. Click on that. Next, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable at the top of the page. This will unlock some hidden settings for your power button options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for options like Sleep, Hibernate, and Lock. Simply tick the ones you want to display when you press the power button. Once you've selected your preferred options, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, let's test it out. Open your power menu, and there you have it, your missing options are back. See, that was quick and easy. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Feel free to drop any questions or issues in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.